In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a web page in Google Chrome, a useful skill that can help you access content offline and organize important information. Whether you're saving a recipe, an article, or research materials, knowing how to save a web page properly can come in handy. So, let's dive right in. First, open your Google Chrome browser. It's essential to ensure your Chrome is up to date for the best experience, though these steps generally apply to any recent version of Chrome. With your browser ready, go ahead and navigate to the web page you want to save. This could be any site or page you find valuable and would like to keep for later use. Once you have the desired page open, look over to the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, hover over the option that says More Tools. Hovering will expand another submenu, where you will then select Save Page As. In some versions, you might directly see the option that says Save As. After clicking Save Page As, a File Explorer window will pop up. This is where you'll decide where on your device you want the saved web page to be stored. You will also see that the default file type is Web Page Complete. This setting saves the entire page, including images, which is generally what you want to keep the page's full content and layout intact. Next, you'll want to choose or create a folder where you'll save this web page for easy access later. Feel free to rename the file to something that's easy for you to remember, especially if you plan on saving multiple pages. Once you've determined the location and file name, click Save, and you're done. The page is now saved on your device, and you can open it even without an internet connection. If you require HTML only without additional elements like images or styles, you can choose the Web Page HTML Only option when saving. This might be helpful if you are more interested in the text and basic layout rather than the complete visual design. Remember, Chrome also offers other ways to save information, such as bookmarking a page or using extensions like Evernote or Pocket for more advanced saving and organizing options. This method of saving pages as files on your device is straightforward and ensures you have offline access to the web content whenever you need it. And there you have it, a simple way to save web pages in Google Chrome. With practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to manage and access helpful information effortlessly. Keep experimenting with these tools to find the method that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching.